You only need 10 minutes a day to move your body with gentleness, burn fat naturally, and feel stronger, agile, and rejuvenated. Let's start together. First up, tiptoe shoulder tilt. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Drop one shoulder down and stretch it out diagonally. Keep your core tight and your back nice and straight. This one's great for getting your heart rate up, fixing your posture, and waking your body up before we dive into the real work. Lift both arms straight overhead, rise onto your tiptoes, and stretch upward as far as you can. Then lower everything slowly and with control. It's a simple move, but it lengthens your entire body from your ankles all the way to your fingertips. Slow, intentional movement paired with deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system and brings down stress hormone levels. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Alternate lifting each leg and clap your hands underneath your raised thigh. Keep your torso upright, core braced, and repeat the movement smoothly. This mobilizes your hips, tightens your midsection, boosts lower body coordination, and burns calories to shape your body. Swing both arms forward and up, then back down and behind you while your knees gently bounce up and down with the rhythm the whole time. Let your whole body move together, arms swinging, knees springing. This is a full body move. It loosens up stiff shoulders fast while your legs stay engaged and your heart rate climbs right along with it. Feet planted a little wider than shoulder width. Let your waist lead the movement, rotating side to side while your arms swing loosely along for the ride. Keep your lower body steady and let the twist come from your core. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Clasp your hands behind your back and squeeze your arms tight to your torso. Keep your upper body still and twist your hips side to side at a steady pace. This stretches tight muscles in your chest and front shoulders. It stimulates your lymphatic system, boosts blood flow, and supports your body's natural detox process. Lift one knee toward your chest and hinge your torso slightly forward to meet your knee. Keep your core braced the whole time. Lower with control, then switch sides. This low-impact move fires up your core without getting down on the floor. It works great for burning stubborn belly fat fast. Rotate your upper body from side to side, letting your arms swing naturally with the motion and your head follow where you're turning. Smooth and steady, no jerking. This is a simple daily habit that keeps your spine mobile and takes the edge off that stiff, achy feeling in your lower back. Let your arms follow your hips as you twist side to side. Keep one arm high and one low behind your back. Pull inward and let momentum gently squeeze your back. This rhythmic movement loosens your entire body, boosts full body circulation, and eases numbness, soreness, and fatigue. Keep your arms straight, swing them forward from your sides and clap. At the same time, flick your calf upward behind you. Alternate legs continuously. This full body move shapes your frame and burns fat quickly. It lifts your heart rate and engages your arms and legs together. One simple motion to maximize calorie burn. Stand with your feet about one stride apart. Rise onto the toes of one foot. Stretch both arms straight overhead to open up your armpits. This opens your chest and stretches your shoulders. It improves posture and lifts your mood. It gets synovial fluid flowing around your shoulder joints, nourishes cartilage, and cuts down wear and tear. Feet wider than your shoulders. Swing your arms back, rise up onto your tiptoes, bend your knees into a squat, and lift your hands overhead. Keep your ankles and calves steady. This is exactly the balance training we need more as we get older. to the opposite side while rotating your waist. Keep the motion smooth and continuous. These circular arm movements paired with leg stretches activate mobility throughout your whole body. That mild burn in your arms and warm sensation in your lower belly are signs your body is firing up and burning fat. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Push both palms forward. As you pull back, rise onto your tiptoes, clench your fists, and draw them toward your sides. Coordinate your legs and arms. This rhythmic full-body movement raises your heart rate and maximizes calorie burn. Lift one calf back and reach your opposite hand behind you to tap your heel. Switch sides and repeat. This builds leg strength, improves circulation in your legs, and lowers cramp risk. It also burns fat on your back and legs efficiently. Sink into a wide horse stance and hold it. Thighs doing real work here. While you stay low, circle both shoulders forward and back in big, slow rolls. Two things happening at once. Your legs are quietly building strength while your shoulders let go of the tension they've been carrying all day. Stand on one leg, lift your opposite leg sideways, and come up onto your tiptoe. Lift both arms overhead, then open them wide to shoulder height. This balance challenge hits your entire body with that full arm stretch overhead, all in one motion. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, knees softly bent and relaxed, lined up over your toes the whole time. Swing your arms forward and back, clapping steadily. This move works your legs and arms at once. It gets your heart pumping without straining your knees. Stand tall and reach back to gently tap or slap your glutes with both hands, alternating a steady rhythm. Sounds simple, but sitting all day basically puts these muscles to sleep. This wakes them right back up and gets circulation moving through an area that barely gets any attention. Stand tall, feet hip width. Inhale as you lift both arms out to the sides like wings, all the way overhead. Exhale slow and bring them back down. That's it. No rush, no strain. This is your reset button when your chest feels tight or your breathing feels shallow. A few rounds and you'll actually feel your lungs open up. Reach both arms overhead and slowly rotate your whole upper body in a big circle, letting your waist lead and your arms trail along. Go one direction, then reverse. This is a full stretch for your sides, shoulders, and lower back all in one flowing motion. Up overhead, then fold forward, then reach side to side, moving slowly through each direction and holding for a few breaths. One flowing sequence that hits your shoulders, back, hips, and legs. A great way to end a routine and leave your whole body feeling longer and looser.